The strategies described in the videos on this playlist all fit within 3 keys to effective time management that will allow you to manage your time and remain productive. The first key to effective time management is to write everything in your daily planner. What you have to do, where you have to be, tasks you commit to doing, reminders, notes, ideas, everything. In order to write everything in your daily planner, you must do the following 3 things. First, you should have your daily planner with you at all times. You should have it with you when you go to class, when you participate in extracurricular activities, when you go to work, when you go to your internship, when you are conducting research, when you go to a meeting, when you visit your family, when you are with your friends, and when you participate in any other obligation. Second, you should not write information on floating pieces of paper. Floating pieces of paper consist of Post-it notes, a ripped out sheet from your notebook, the back of a receipt, or anywhere else you might be tempted to write information. The problem with floating pieces of paper is you may end up with several pieces of floating pieces of paper at the end of a day. Some may get lost or accidentally thrown away. Even if they do not get lost or thrown away, you will not necessarily know which floating piece of paper is more important than another floating piece of paper. Instead of writing information on floating pieces of paper, write everything in your daily planner. That way, nothing will get lost or thrown away, and you can evaluate the importance of each piece of information. Third, you should use your daily planner as your only calendar. You should use it as your academic calendar, your extracurricular calendar, your work calendar, your internship calendar, your research calendar, your club or organization calendar, your family calendar, your social calendar, and your calendar for any other obligation. By using your daily planner as your only calendar, you will always be aware how events and obligations in one aspect of your life may impact events and obligations in another aspect of your life.